A couple of my clients have come to me with a problem with order statuses. They have custom statuses that are over and above the usual on hold, processing, completed, and it's usually to do with the fulfillment end of the order. So perhaps they've got to compile a picking list of products and bring them all together and make them ready for dispatch. Or in another case, I have a client who sells to Ireland and the UK, and so he has one company to dispatch to Ireland and another to dispatch and fulfill to the UK. So we have custom statuses on our orders to know where that order has gone to. So in this video, I'll show you how to add custom statuses to your WooCommerce store. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop a code snippet like this into our code snippet plugin. What this does is it adds additional features to our site very easily without editing the functions.php. So I've developed the code, and so what we're going to do is we're going to create two new statuses. We're going to create one called awaiting pickup and one called shipped. So in my test scenario, I'm going to pack up all my orders and wait for the shipping company, Bob and his truck, to come. And while we're waiting for Bob, we're going to mark it as awaiting shipping. Once picked up, we're going to mark it as shipped because it's on the back of Bob's truck to send it. So we've got two parts to this. We've got two. First is to register the custom statuses, and then a second function to add those statuses to WooCommerce. So we've got two little functions to register the status. Of course, I'll copy all this into the blog post for you to review and copy and just change it to what you want. Let's talk through the code. So we have this part here where we register the new post status, WooCommerce awaiting pickup and WooCommerce shipped. And then in this function we have our labels, whether it's public, exclude from search, show an admin, etc., etc. So if you're going to do this on your store, all you need to do is change the text. Perhaps you can set the text domain to match your site, and then some labels on the counts, that kind of thing. So I've done two different statuses, and then after that, so this is run on init when the website starts, or when a web page is loaded rather. It adds those statuses. Then we have another function just to add a filter on the order statuses and then to add those newer statuses like that. So what's this look like in effect? So if we look at our orders, so along with the normal processing on hold, completed, etc., we have these two new. So that's awaiting Bob to pick it up. Bob's picked it up like that. You can see our order status has changed to shipped, and if we go back to our order list, you can see that it's been marked as shipped, and then we can filter by our shipped products like that. So if that's useful to you, please review the code that will be attached in the blog post. So if you want more videos on how to develop your WooCommerce store, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you need technical help developing your WooCommerce store, please click through to my site, neilmatthews.com, click on the Work With Me button. From there, you can learn a little bit more about me, and you can request a no obligation quote to get support for your WooCommerce store. I look forward to working with you.